In this video, I will discuss how to find the winning Shopify dropshipping product to sell by e-commerce store. This is a totally winning product in the market. So I am going to select a winning product from this product and show to you how much the demand of this product in the market and how much it is supply in this product from the directly the supplier. Now I'm select this one product and show to you proper analysis of this product, how much demand in this product in the market. And this product is a selling price is 16.99 and profit cost is 43.65 and proper margin is 20.34. And now is the situation, online situation, how much this product sell in Aliexpress and also this is product sell in the top 110 at Amazon. And also this product sell in EV, Shopify and Temu and Eon and Shopee. And minimum price this product sell in this platform is 79.599 and AliExpress is 47.39 and many more up. It is a Temu, EB and other as a reward. So this product as Shopify founder, this product sell in a Shopify store is 3 Shopify founder. This is so you see closely, this is the only 3 store this product sell and Shopify store. Now I am going to show you this product price in AliExpress, how much this product price in AliExpress and how much this product sell in this seller and these platform and Amazon and AliExpress and Temu. So now I'm going to select AliExpress and show you proper this product price, how much this product price in exactly in here in AliExpress. Because AliExpress, AliExpress is a wall B2B and B2C marketplace, and if we just same to same this product. Here is the price of this product is 47.43, and here is a how much is the product cost 43.65. Maybe here is the product price is increased now. This product sell in a reduction student. If this product, if you are in sell in America, this is a free shipping. If you add this product in your Shopify store and run some ads or in TikTok and or in Facebook, maybe you made $1 million only and want this product. Now I'm going to show this product in other product who sell this product. This one I'm going to show you proper this product, how much this product sell in our other store. So yeah, this product sell in Amazon.sa. And now I'm going to open a new page. This product also is sell many more. You see those there. This product only sell in Amazon. No one can sell in Shopify and here is only AliExpress. And this is So this means we have opportunity to sell this product in our this product sell also in Amazon India and here this is also sell this product in here website. So I'm going to proper and this product sell also is Amazon Canada and EB. And I'm going to show you this product in EB, how much this product is sell in EB. And the SOP in this is YouTube also says some video about Reddit. Now I'm going to select Reddit. You know Reddit about the world of communication B2B marketplace. Now I'm going to India Reddit YouTube. And now I'm going to show you this product price in here. Wow, this is only one picture. Now I'm here. There's some issue and I'm going to refresh this. Wow, here's some issue. What's happened? Oh, this product sell in Amazon and currently unavailable. Maybe here is some. This product sell in Canada. In the Canada marketplace and India marketplace, this product is unavailable. This means is currently out of stock. Now I'm going to show you the other marketplace in India. Has also research India. Now I'm going to GFN. This is also in Japan. Wow, this product in Japan. This product also we show some currently unavailable. And here are some issue. Now this is also out of stock. Now I'm going to show you Canada. And the Canada marketplace, this product price in Canada. Canadian voice, some updates on location, and then we apply Canadian location. Then after per product maybe I'll show you the exact location is Saudi Arabia. Now I'm going to show you this product price in Saudi Arabia. Maybe this product is available in mzone.sa. Yeah, yeah. This is the mzone.sa site. Now I'm going to show you how much this product sell here. Member Diki. This product launched newly, but here is out of stock. Yeah, everyone, this is how when this product is a launch in the market. Now I'm going to the date of this product is a launch. I directly sell this product in Chinese uh, seller, not in Saudi. Yeah, every person is a great. Yeah, this is also verified review and this is closely. So this mean this product have opportunity to sell in our Shopify store. This is the easy way you can find a product in the market and sell by your commerce store. I hope you understand this video easily, and I hope you subscribe in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this amazing tutorial.